Good morning, everyone. Not the best way to start out a morning. Just got a call from Ian. He says that he sees about the size of a quarter, some type of imperfection in the paint on the hood. I mean, I gotta be honest, I never really went over the car too well. When I got it from the dealership, I just looked at the sides and the back, so I'm heading down there now to see what's going on. I was in bed, so it's like 10 now, but I was in bed, so I gotta brush my teeth. He did say it was like a chemical stain or bird poop or something, which I don't know why you couldn't get bird poop off, and no chemicals just touched the car. But I'm just bringing down a clay bar and some detailing fluid and some microfibers. Maybe I can get it out, I don't know. I'm sure he's tried clay bar. Got the sock with the check engine light. That's why I wanted a new car. I don't see anything. Looks fine. So here's all the rolls of the Xpel.
Yep.
And yeah, whatever happened on the hood, you can't even see it on camera, so it's fine. I'm not worried about it.
It's one of those things where if you look at it and you catch it in the light, you can see it. Looks like a thumbprint. Looks just like a thumbprint. She's got one in her. And
So we're twins.
yeah.
I have worse than my hood. I have a thumbprint.
Yeah. It's an actual thumbprint. You could see. So we put their thumb.
So you could identify someone who did it.
I told the dealer. I said, "Oh, we don't even know who did it. How that could have happened." I said, "You can find out real easy."
So I don't know if you caught that, but it's just a little bit. I'll put an image up right here, a still from the video, so you can see it better. But yeah, it's just a little. He's right, it's like the size of a quarter, and he was saying you could see it from 5 feet away, which I guess you probably could in the right lighting. But yeah, I did capture it on camera. I just told him, he was talking about it would need to be buffed out, and I just told him to continue on and put the Xpel over it. Like, it's not really that big of a deal to me, you know? So, but now I'm probably gonna notice it like every single time that I look at the car now that I know where it is, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna worry about it. Speaking of dirty cars, this one's filthy too. It's Saturday though, and it's nice out, so I bet the car wash is packed. We only have one automated car wash here, and I don't feel like washing it myself, but I bet that one's packed too, the other one. Let's just drive by and see. It's actually not bad. Yeah, there's definitely times here when it's packed all the way out to like the entrance, so like no cars can even get in or leave. I know I shouldn't go through the automatic car wash, but it's only one that can do the undercarriage. Like, the car's too low to do that with the hand washer. But yeah, I'm happy that it's just like some little mark that you have to see in like just the right angle with just the right light. So I'm not really worried about that. And who knows, maybe you'll see it even less after the Xpel is put on. But I'm thinking maybe today. I know I have to finish editing yesterday's video, but today I might be working on this car, like detailing the outside of it and stuff. I'd probably just wash it now and then go to the hand wash later tonight and clay bar it there, depending how cold it is. If it's cold out, then I won't do it. But after this, I could definitely clean the exhaust tips and do some other stuff at home. Also, it's crazy expensive here. I get the $10 one because it has the undercarriage wash. But $10, like, especially in winter, like once every week or two, it adds up. I always do a little wiper because I think it cleans off the wipers a bit more. I did get more stuff in for the M2. This should be the window treatment. Haven't used it yet, so don't recommend it. Then a bunch more microfibers. These ones are big, these are nice. This is the size of the last ones I used. The last ones I bought, so quite a bit bigger. Quite a bit thicker too. Well, just a little bit thicker. Then these are the rubber floor mats for the M2. Damn, these are like hard plastic. These are crazy. They're not like these rubber ones. These are my Saab ones. Damn, this is like for a truck. They have this big scoop here so you don't get, so all the water and snow and salt and stuff stays in and doesn't get on the carpets. Quality control could be better though. They put this label on crooked. Yeah, even the label here is it's on straight, but it's not even. I guess these go like I guess these go in your existing hole, so then it just pops through. It's a little bit more complex than just regular floor mats. I didn't know that before I bought them, but that's fine. The thing is, since they're not flat, they're going to be a bit harder to store in the summer, but figure it out. So that's going to be the end of this video. It's actually the next day. Today's Sunday and I haven't gotten a call from Ian, and so I don't know if he's working on it or what. But I didn't get around to washing and detailing my car like by hand because it's still in the 30s out and I don't want to be doing that. I'll wait until it's warmer out. So that's it. Take care. Thank you and bye.